Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes Igniting a Passion for Learning. In this channel I will be teaching for all the students from class 6 to class 12, Karnataka State Board, CBSE Board, ICSE Board and even etc. boards. I will be covering the full chapter, example question, exercises and important questions with respect to all the classes. In this video, I am going to give you the complete detailed information about the first language, English, model paper number 2 for the academic year 2020-21 as per the revised syllabus. And as you can see here, the subject is first language English and time duration will be 3 hours 15 minutes and subject code is 14E and total marks will be awarded for 100, and this is the video for regular fresher students. And any students who belongs to supplementary, it means like last year, before last year if you have failed, you are not supposed to follow this revised syllabus. Okay, you have to follow your scheme syllabus itself. Okay, good. Now coming back to model paper number 2, you have to see the instructions as given here, and in this video we are covering complete model question paper, and this is prescribed from your SSLC board. And you can see here the first main. Before we could start this video, hope you all will take the advantage of this video to understand and learn the questions and answers easily. And still, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shasar Classes, do subscribe it and click the like button and even the bell button and select all. First main, 4 alternatives are given. It means this is choose the correct answer. 1 question and 4 options are given. In these 4 options you need to select which is the correct one. As you can see here, this main carries 6 marks. Each question carries 1 mark. Total you get 6 questions and you can score 6 marks from this main. This is your first question. And this is your second question. You can just read this question and try to find the solutions as per the given statement. This is third main. This is fourth main. This is question number 4, not fourth main. Second question, third question, and this is fourth question. Next, coming back to here, this is question number 5, question number 6. So these are the 6 questions are given here, and this is second main. And here you can see 1 question they have given and 1 meaning they have given. Same way 1 more question they have given and you should write the meaning of that. Okay, maybe that is singular, plural or opposite or meaning anything. Okay, 1 question ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥವಾಯ್ತಾ? आपको ये मेन बहुत ईजी है और बहुत सिंपल है. ओके, यू नीड टू राइट द proper solution for that question. Third main, rewrite as directed. Each question carries 1 mark. Total 3 questions 3 marks. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಬಂದು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಮೇನ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಮೇನ್ है. Each question carries 1 mark. Total we get 4 questions and you can score 4 marks from this main. And this is fifth main. You have to answer the following in 2 or 3 sentences. Each question carries 2 marks. You get 7 questions and you can score 14 marks. And this is sixth main. Rewrite as directed. Each question carries 2 marks. We have 3 questions in this and you can score 6 marks from this main. And next, coming back to main number 7, answer the following questions in 5 to 6 sentences each. Each question carries 3 marks. You get 6 questions and you can score 18 marks from this main. And there is a choice question. ಇದು 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 2 ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ओके, आपको जो क्वेश्चन पता है उसको आंसर लिखना है आपको. 8th main, explain with reference to the context. Each question carries 3 marks. Total 5 questions 15 marks. Quote from memory. This is nothing but poem. They'll give 2 paragraphs. You have to answer any 1 paragraph. It carries 4 marks. And this is 10th main. Answer in 7 to 8 sentences each. Each question carries 4 marks. Total 3 questions 12 marks. 40, 41. 41 there is a choice. You have to answer any 1. Question number 42. Again there is a choice. You have to answer any 1. Next, 43. this is a passage. You have to read this passage carefully. They will ask you 2 questions from this passage. You have to answer those questions. Each question carries 2 marks, so totally 4 marks from this passage. Please read this passage carefully. After reading this passage, you are supposed to answer these 2 questions. Next, 44. This is an essay. You need to answer any one essay. It carries 5 marks. And 13th main, this is nothing but letter writing. Okay, you need to write the letter. As you can see here, children, I hope you have enjoyed our session, and do share this video as much as possible with your all the friends, classmates and your relatives and cousins. Okay, and still if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it. And if you want to get the PDF of this video, what you people can do is you can follow me through in my Twitter channel. I'll be sharing the link in my Twitter channel. Okay, you can download the PDF of this video through the Twitter, and the name of the Twitter channel is Shah Sir Classes. And click the like button if you have liked this video, and comment below how was this class. Okay, and what video you want me to make next. You can let me know in the given below comment box, and do not forget to read the complete description box given below, because we'll be sharing you the links. Maybe not today, after 2-3 days also you can just visit our description box. We'll be uploading and we'll be sharing the links, important links like passing package, scoring package and etc. Thank you. Keep watching. Take care.